See, very first problem, the equation of the chord of the circle bisected by the point, I mean to say here midpoint has given. Then equation of the chord, first one, very first one is circle equation given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, bisected at point, given point, I mean to say midpoint, this is midpoint is 2, 0. Then equation of the chord, S1 is equal to S11. Equation of chord is S1 equal to S11. S1 equal to S1. So x1, so 2x, y1 becomes vanish, minus x plus x1 minus g into x plus x1. G is here, g is minus 1, so x plus 2 and minus 2 into y plus y1 is 0 minus 20 equal to S11. So 2 square plus 0 square plus 2gx1, so minus 2 into 2 and 2f(y1), 4 into 0 minus 20, right? So 2x minus x minus 2 minus 2y minus 20 equal to 4 minus 4 and minus 20. So here and this 0. So x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. That implies x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of chord, therefore required equation is x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, right? Next, midpoint of the chord with respect to the circle. A line has given and then with respect to the circle, second line. Then here we have to find foot of the perpendicular, that is, see, given circle is second one, let us write here. center is perpendicular to chord. Now, given line is, what is the given line here? 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 1. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Then the midpoint we need. Suppose circle which is center C, suppose chord, the midpoint we need. Foot of the perpendicular from center to a point on the line is x minus x1 by a minus x, suppose h comma k we taken before whatever we used, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square plus c square. Use that one, we can get it. Center equal to minus g comma minus f. So 2 comma minus 3. So foot of the perpendicular from center to the point on the line. Let x comma y be the point on line. Foot of the perpendicular from center to point on the line. Center to point on the line is x minus x1, x minus 2 by, the line is this one, by 3 comma y minus y1 plus 3 by minus 1 equal to minus of ax1. So 6 y1 plus 3 minus 1 by a square plus b square. So 9 plus 1, x minus 2 by 3 equal to y plus 3 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, minus 8 by 9. So x minus 2 by 3 equal to minus 8 by 9 comma y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus 8 by 9. So implies x equal to minus 8 by 3, x equal to minus 8 by 3 plus 2, comma y equal to 8 by 9 minus 3. So x equal to 6, 8 minus 2 by 6, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, and y is equal to 27, that means 19, minus 19 by 9, minus 19 by 9. Right? Let's see once. X minus 2 by 3 and y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus of 6 plus 3 minus 1 by 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, not 9. That is the mistake. 9 plus 1 is 10. So minus 8 by 10. Minus 8 by 10 and minus 8 by 10 as it is 3. So x minus 2, that means minus 24 by 10. Minus 24 by 10 plus 2 and minus 8 by 10 plus 8 by 10, this becomes minus 3. Now minus 4, minus 4 by 10, minus 4 by 10, and which becomes 30 minus 22, minus 22 by 10, minus 22 by 10, which becomes, which is equal to minus 2 by 5 comma y equal to minus 11 by 5, right? X equal to minus 2 by 5 and minus 11 by 5, right? Next, third one, the length of the chord of the circle midpoint. Formula is 2 into square root of modulus S11. Third one, length of the chord. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, whose midpoint is midpoint 4,2. Then length of the chord x square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, whose midpoint 4,2. Then length of the chord equal to square root of S11. S11 equal to x1 square plus y1 square 4 square plus 2 whole square 2gx1 minus 12 minus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 16, 20 and minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, right? 21 minus 1. S11 is equal to minus 1. The length of the chord equal to length of the chord equal to root 2 into square root of modulus of S11, which is equal to 2 into square root of modulus of minus 1, which is equal to 2 square root of 1, which is equal to 2 units. Therefore, length of the chord equal to 2 units. Length of the chord equal to 2 units, right? So next one. Next, fourth one, equation of the chord of the line having midpoint. So fourth one is homework, because S1 equal to S11, that's it. Next, equation of pair of tangents drawn from the point to a circle. Let us solve this. So S1 square equal to S into S11, this is S1 square equal to S1 square equal to S into S11. Equation of the pair of tangents drawn from certain point to circle. S1 square equal to S into S11. Right? Given circle equation and point. This is fifth one. Fourth one, homework. Homework. Fourth one. Given circle. What is given circle here? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0. x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0, and the given point is point 4 comma 3. Then equation, required equation is s1 square equal to s into s1. s1 equal to xx1 plus yy1 minus of x plus x1 minus 2 into y plus y1 equal to 0. That implies, what is x1 y1 here? 4 comma 3. So 4x plus 3y minus x plus 4 minus 2y plus 3, which is equal to 4x plus 3y minus x minus 4 minus 2y minus 6, which is equal to 3x plus y and then minus 10. What is that? S1. Now S11, x1 square, y1 square, 2x1, 4y1, 4 square plus 3 square, 2 into 4 minus 4 into 3, 16 plus 9 minus 8 minus 12, 25 minus 20 equal to 5. S1. That implies S1 square equal to S into S11 equal to, what is S1? 3x plus y. Now minus 10 whole square equal to s into, what is s here? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y into s11 is 5. So which is equal to a plus b minus c whole square formula. A square 3x whole square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 3xy, I mean to say 6xy, bc minus 20y, ca minus 60x, right, equal to 5x square plus 5y square minus 10x. 5x square plus 5y square minus 10x minus 20y. So 9x square plus y square plus 100 plus 6xy minus 20y minus 60x. See, minus 20y gone, and 6xy minus 60x. So minus 20y no need to write here. So which becomes minus 50x, and let us simplify this also. 4x square, this is 4x square, and then minus 4y square, minus 4y square, right, equal to 0. Then which becomes 2 is a common factor, 2x square minus 2y square plus 3xy and minus 25x plus 50 equal to 0. So 4x square minus 4y square, 50x, 6xy plus 100 equal to 0. Written like that only. Either one is correct. Let us arrange. Therefore 2x square plus 2hxy means 3xy minus 2y square minus 25x plus 50 equal to 0. Otherwise, or 4x square plus 6xy minus 4y square plus 6xy minus 50x plus 100 equal to 0. Right? Either one is correct. Next, the equation to pair of tangents from point to circle x square plus y square equal to 25 is, so s1 square is equal to s11, same formula, use the same formula, do this one also. Sixth one is homework. Clear? Next week. The equation of chord of the circle having as midpoint minus ln by l square plus m square minus mn by l square plus m square, the midpoint and circle. See, seventh one, sixth one is homework. Equation of the chord of the circle as midpoint. For this, S1 is equal to S11. Same. Not a midpoint here. Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25 comma midpoint one comma minus 1. Then S1 equal to S11. So xx1 plus yy1 minus 25 equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. That implies x minus y minus 25 1 plus 1 minus 25, right? Implies x minus y equal to 2. Therefore, required equation of chord is x minus y equal to 2. Required equation of the chord is x minus y equal to 2. Next, the equation to pair of tangents drawn from a point S1 square equal to S into S11, and same process 8th one also homework. So point is given, find S1 and then S11, then after S1 square equal to S into S11, we can get the answer. The second one also same, 9th one also, 10th one also same. So here the homeworks problems are 6th problem, 8th problem, 9th one and 10th one. We'll explain 9th one there. 10th, 11th also you can do, because circle and midpoint is given equation of the chord. S1 equal to S11. So 11th one full homework. Now next one. So 9th one will explain, and remaining up to 11 are homework. So I am writing here homework problems. 6th one, 8th one, 10th one and 11 full. These are homework problems. Equation of the pair of tangents drawn from 0, 0 to the circle. That means S1 square equal to S into S11. So, given circle equation, 9th one this is, given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 10x plus 10y plus 40 equal to 0. point 0, 0. S1 equal to x(x1) y(y1) plus g into x plus x1. So 5x plus 5y plus 40 and S11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c, only 40. Now required equation of the circle is required equation is 5x plus 5y plus 40 whole square equal to 40 into x square plus y square plus 10x plus 10y plus 40, right? So here simplification. Same formula, a plus b plus c whole square. Take here 5 as a common factor, which becomes 25. 25 x plus y plus 8 whole square equal to 40 becomes x square plus y square plus 10x plus 10y plus 40 5 8 implies 5 into x square y square 64 2xy and 16y plus 16x, close the bracket, 8x square 8y square 80x 80y plus 320 implies 5x square 5y square plus 320 plus 10xy plus 80y plus 80x 8x square 8y square plus 80x 80y plus 320. See 80y 80x and plus 320 320. Next, which becomes 3x square plus 3y square, I mean to say minus 10xy minus plus 3y square, that's it, equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of the tangent, therefore required equation is 3x square minus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 0. Next, 12th one. The equation to the locus of the points of chords x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 20 equal to 0 which are parallel to equation to see the equation to locus of the midpoints of chords of the circle which are parallel to equation of the chord midpoint of the chord. Here whatever the chord we have, that chord and a given chord, those are parallel. Suppose this is a chord, this is the midpoint. Midpoint is x1 comma y1. A, B is a midpoint. C is the center of the circle. Given circle equation is here x square plus 8x square plus given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 20 equal to 0 and line 3x plus 4y plus 5. Given circle and line. The thing is, equation to the locus of the midpoints of chords. Midpoints of chords, that means the midpoint of the chord equation. This equation we need to find center to the midpoint, that midpoint equation of the chord, and that line and this we are assuming he given one more line, that is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Those are parallel. This one and this one are parallel, right? That means whatever we are going to be found, that one and this one are perpendicular to each other. Understand? Suppose this one is this. Understand? Given line is this. I need to find the perpendicular midpoint of the chord equation. Midpoint of the chord equation. Midpoint as given, then find the equation of the chord is different. that is S1 equal to S11. Circle given, midpoint given, then chord of the equation of the chord S1 equal to S11. That's clear. But here line given, that line midpoint equation you want. Line midpoint equation, that means which is perpendicular, whatever we are going to be found equation is perpendicular to the given line, that only we write. So center for this circle, center equal to minus e minus f. So 4 minus 3, 4 comma minus 3. And equation perpendicular to the given line, equation of the line, equation of the line perpendicular to given line is 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Then here the required line equation is which is passing through the center. This one is passing through the center. 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0 is passing through 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 3. It implies 4 into 4 minus 3 into minus 3 plus k equal to 0. 16 plus 9 plus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 25. So required line equation is, therefore required equation is 4x minus 3y minus 25 equal to 0, right? So try to understand one. Midpoint of chord equation. Find the equation of the midpoint of a chord is, that means which passes through the center. Midpoint of a chord passes through the center. So he has given one line 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Whatever he given, whatever I am going to be found, those are perpendicular. That's why taken here equation of the line perpendicular to the given line. Perpendicular to the given line, that is my required order. Is 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. So perpendicular equation of given line equation, that is, which is passing through center. So I substituted the center. Finally I got k value. So required equation is 4x minus 3y minus 25 equal to 0 is midpoint which is passing through the midpoint of a line, right? That's it. Next.